2 days since I've uploaded a video. I see, the thing is, it's not the reason. Like, I'm having, since the past 3 hours, kind of a headache. And I'm sharing this because I just cannot resist to not sharing something with you people. I just want you people to know most things. This is not the reason, by the way, that I was not uploading in the past 2 days. It's just today that I'm getting a bit of headache. I actually drank tea, and hopefully it's gonna be okay. But for now, not to Berlin. I always start with Berlin. I'm gonna choose. Oh, I have the Zarq. Let's use the Zarq, man, and start the game video with something different. Let's start with Paris because usually I never do this. 185. By the way, thank you so much for all the support. If anyone is new, subscribe right now and turn on the bell icon. It's my break, which is a very nice thing. Let's go for the break. Okay, now the sound must. Oh, I'm gonna put 2 solids. What? Let's go for stripes. Actually, yeah, this has to be stripes. Should I go for denial? What do you people think? Let's go for denial. I should have used more force on the pre. Okay, let's go for a bang shot, man. I just cannot resist this as well. Is my voice a bit heavy? Can't say for sure. Okay, nice that the black ball went in over there. I don't think so. The red ball is gonna be possible now. Is it possible? Can I put the red ball? See, I can't. Oh, it was possible. Did you people see what this guy did? Did you people see? I mean, obviously you saw. Wow, man. Sometimes I'm this lucky. Don't go inside any pocket. All right. So this is obviously game over from this point. I'm gonna go. Okay, let's go for this. I cannot believe this. I can also put the red ball. What an amazing luck, I'm gonna say. I mean, the shot was skill, but then it was luck as well. Can I stop? Yes. Can I? Can I go for the black ball? Why can't I, man? This was a funny match as well. I mean, he first tried to troll me, but then he got trolled himself badly. And Zarq was pretty nice. I mean, yeah, the game was nice, so obviously I'm feeling like the Q was nice. Okay, I'm fine. Let's see which other Qs, Thor Hammer Q. I don't have the black hole Q, so is it? Although I cannot get the black hole Q now by standard. So standard is, okay, millionaire Q. Let's buy these Qs. As it is, I have a lot of coins right now. I mean, thanks to that video where I was hitting 1 billion coins. Still, I have the filthy vision. What did I just do? I'm telling you what happened, basically. I cannot believe this. I'm back to 11 million coins in Armor's Road? This is... Hold on, my headache is increasing now. Please someone call an ambulance. The thing is, I'm used to of doing that. This is the problem. You know, in most accounts, I'm not trying to boast, but usually I have coins. So when I go to the standard thing, I just keep on buying, keep on buying, keep on buying. But this time I didn't realize that I had 1 billion and that was it. And I didn't have to buy. Oh, wow. What a great twist in Armor's Road series. It's a sad twist, I know. As I've said multiple times, Life is unfair. Get used to it. This was... wait, why am I... oh no, my... I don't know which word to use at this point, but... okay, I was very lucky. I was about to go inside that pocket, but nope. Okay, let's try to actually seal the deal. I have won previous 2 room matches, by the way. Should I go for the green or the... no? Oh, okay, nice, I think, nice. Perfect backspin and forced use. Now, I only have to watch my cue ball. You know, I'm going to go for the black in the bottom middle, but the cue ball needs to be in proper position. Yes, absolutely nice. Absolutely nice. See, winning these 3 round matches, I'm obviously playing for fun right now to ease the pain of what just happened. I'm at still, I won 3 round matches and I'm at 22 million. It's not going to be my break. Let's actually go for the break trick. First, let me open this elite box. Oh my god, what just happened, man? What just happened? Everything can change with one single click, man. I thought I'm just gonna buy all the queues, and I didn't realize that 1 queue, actually 2 queues, it would have been better if I clicked on the 1.5 billion queue, you know, because the game would have reminded me then. I have the ball in hand, which is a very nice thing. Let's start off by this green ball, and after the green, let's hit backspin. Nice. Now I'm gonna go for the... I can go for 2 balls basically, but I'm gonna go for the blue. I said I can go for 2 balls, but that I didn't mean this. Now it's time for the purple. Oh! Oh! I perfectly snookered with the backspin, but I did not realize that he can't. I mean, my ball was going in some other pocket. All seriousness now. Green ball goes inside. No, cue ball. Okay. I thought the cue ball was going to go inside as well, but it did not happen. I have to go for stripes. I'm pretty sure about this. Hey! This top middle pocket, what is your problem, man? What do you want from me? What does the top middle pocket want from me? I'm trying to calm myself, but it's not letting me do it. They say if you're the smartest in the room, you have to change the room. So I was the dumbest in Cairo, so I also changed the room. And I'm over here in Jakarta right now. The break is absolutely not fantastic, but nice. I'm going to start off by going for this orange ball. Messed up because I'm a foolish human being. I think I'm not a human being. The red ball. No, blue ball. I have to do something. Well, basically, I'm really not trying. I mean, if I actually tried, I would have not gone for bank shots. So now, who cares, man? Let's go for the yellow. Don't care about the red ball. So I cleared the entire table, but now obviously the red ball, I don't know, man. I'm just gonna go for this random shot. Okay, he's gonna win the game. I'm not sad, you know, because the shots that I played back to back were pretty nice. Breaking in 3, 2, 1, go. 3 stripes. Wow, man. Oh, no, nice. This is my solids yellow. Again, nice. I can't go for the blue. I have to do something about the red ball, guys. And I actually did it right now. And we're gonna go for the red in the top left pocket. Absolutely fantastic. Green in the bottom. Oh, wait, is it possible? I think yes. Nice shot. Now the black ball is oh, simple. I can just go for the black, but do I want to go for that simple shot is the question. I mean, do I wait. I'm not gonna change my plan. Let's call that pocket. I don't know what's gonna happen. I knew what's gonna happen. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna end the video right now. This was a very not mixed. The emotion in this video was pretty clear. That I totally am blank right now. I don't know what to do. Now I want you people to tell me what to do with Amherst Road. Should I leave it like this? Or should I at least try to hit what, 100 million? At least let's go back to where we stopped in the first place, 100 million. Let me know your opinion right now down in the comments. I'm gonna read. Follow me on Instagram, message me or there if you want to. Until the next video, goodbye.